What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you my newest accessory for my Primate griddle from Grilla Grills. Now, I've had the Primate for close to a month and a half, 2 months, somewhere around there right now. I love the thing. You know, I love cooking on my Blackstone. It's basically the same style of cooking. The Primate is built, you know, a little bit better than the Blackstone, but it can also grill. Now, my biggest complaint about the thing is when you're switching it to the grill, you have to take the entire griddle off and put in some flame tamers and then your griddle or your grills. So they came out with a solution for that. If you're not gonna be grilling a whole bunch, they came out with this 2/3 griddle. Basically, I'll have a 2/3 size griddle that I normally have, and you can leave in a grill. You know, for most cases, it'll probably be fine. I have a family of 3 here at the house, and I don't cook. When we're cooking dinner, it's not huge meals, right? And this gives me the option to leave this in there. If I want to grill up some chicken, I can leave the grill in, or if I just want to do stuff on the griddle, that's fine too. But then if I want to do big stuff, I can either go all grill or back to my big griddle. All right, this thing cost $110. I mean, you are buying basically another griddle top. So I think it's a good value for what you're getting. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. As you can see, right here, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can. It weighs 26 pounds. And that 26 pounds is basically the griddle. Let me get this thing out. So you get some brackets in here. That's what's going to attach to this griddle, so you can just be able to set it straight in. All right, so the only assembly we have to do is put these brackets that came with it on here. You can see there's 2 different size ones. You got a small one and a short one and a longer one. Now the longer one goes on the back of the griddle and the shorter one on the front. Now the front of the griddle is, let me get you over here, is where your, oh, you can't see, oh, where your grease hole is. That's the front. All right, for our assembly, it's just a couple of screws in each one. All right, and there we go. That's all there is to putting it together. Now let's get it in, see how it works. So I already have my other griddle out. If you've not seen this, it just lifts right out. There's a couple of brackets that it sits on. I don't know if you saw that when I put it in, it was a little bit wobbly. So as I was pushing up and down, I could hear it clicking back and forth. And that's because the brackets that I put on wasn't correct. So what I just did was, as it's sitting in here, I loosened it up. And then just gonna tighten them right back down while it's sitting there. Now it's sitting flush everywhere. One thing I noticed about this griddle too, well, the whole thing, is you need to be sure to push it as far left as you can for the grease hole to actually be directly over the little trap that it goes in. Otherwise, you could get some leakage below. I just found if you push it all the way to the left, it works perfect. All right, let's see if our grill will fit. So the first thing we do is put in this flame tamer. There's some little nubbies in there that you just set it right over. That way grease doesn't drip directly down onto your burner. And then we put in our new, well, not new, but put in our grill. And there we go. We have a good grill surface and a griddle surface. I like it. And once again, from Grilla Grills, it's super well made. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna get this thing fired up and I'm gonna get it seasoned so I can start using this thing. As always, you got any questions or comments, go ahead and put them below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And always, holler back.